Well, you may not know this, but balsamic vinegar and olive oil are more than just simple ingredients. They can be highly beneficial for your health when incorporated into your diet. And Cassandra Brown, owner of Una Bella Salute in Berlin, is here to tell us more. And we are in the DelmarvaLife kitchen putting together a couple of recipes utilizing the oil and the vinegar. Welcome.
Well, thank you.
Good to see you.
Thank you. It's good to be back.
Yeah, so we've got a couple things to get to today. So what are we making?
Today we're going to do a black ginger balsamic glazed chicken wing.
Okay.
And we're also going to do a ham and tomato bruschetta.
Bruschetta. Oh,
yes.
That sounds delicious.
Yes.
So let's get to it. What do we do first?
All right. So first of all, we're going to put together our bruschetta. And do you want to do the honors?
Sure.
Everything's in front of you, Steve.
Yes.
I'm good to go.
So what we're going to do first, what we have here is just some fancy tomatoes.
Okay.
And parsley and orange. Navel oranges, but you can use whatever orange you would like.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then we're just going to pour some of the orange juice onto the on the tomatoes,
Okay.
yes, and just kind of mix that together.
Put it all in there?
And just plain old breakfast orange juice?
Yes, just plain. Well, actually, we squeezed the juice from the navel orange.
Oh, okay.
And so that's
You can see there's orange in there.
yes.
Okay.
Look at that.
Using every bit of the orange.
And then
Okay.
we're going to take your bruschetta.
All right.
And we have the goat. This is actually goat cheese with the zest from the orange.
Oh, wow.
So we use the whole orange
Wow.
zest in the goat cheese. And so you're just going to go ahead and before we did that, what we did was took the bruschetta, which I got from one of our local bakers in Berlin from Baked Desserts. This is bread. It's really, really good. And we just toasted it lightly and spread some herb de Provence olive oil on the
Herb de
bruschetta.
Provence,
Wow.
yes.
That's
I
nice
bet you
and-
that makes
nice
it.
and crispy. Yeah.
Yeah.
So then you're going to put on some of the.
Steve, you look like you were going to take a bite out of it.
The thought crossed my mind. It certainly did. But okay, it's so colorful.
Yes, it is.
And seasonal, because we're coming into the season with all the bright
Yes.
colors, and then you can just go ahead and put a piece of the ham. Yep.
Cannot forget the ham.
Yeah, there you go.
And that just goes right across the top?
And that just goes right across the top, and there you go.
And that's it?
Yes.
Oh, my goodness.
Yes. So if you want to do two, and then that way
Yes.
both of you can.
All
One
right.
for you, one
Do
for
a
me.
couple of those.
Do we have a good shot of the goat cheese there? Because that's interesting to me
It
about
is.
that you put in the orange
The orange zest.
and
the goat cheese,
And the goat
you
cheese.
just blend it together. And with like I said, the vegetables, it's just tomatoes with the orange and parsley.
Okay.
And you can smell it. You can smell the citrus. Which
And we also put some of the herb de Provence oil in the tomatoes.
look at that.
There you go.
Wow.
And
That's
that makes
this
a
one right
nice,
here.
quick little snack or an hors d'oeuvre before dinner. And it's real easy, real simple to make. And as we said, using the oils and the vinegars in your diet. A lot of people take it by the tablespoonful as as a medicinal purpose. But if you can't do it that way, just incorporate it in your food every
Yes.
day.
And the variety of oils and vinegars you have in the shop, in the Berlin shop, it's almost overwhelming, but you don't make it overwhelming.
No, because we give you a chance to try it. And everybody may not like the herb de Provence, but you can find one that you do like, and you just take your time and you come through and you just sample them all and go home with a bag full.
There you go.
That's what happens every time I go there. Okay, well, we have those made, and then when we come back, we're going to work on the wings?
Yes,
That sound
yes, we're
good?
going to work on the balsamic wings.
Okay, that sounds fun. Stick around, DelmarvaLife. We'll be right back.
Colorful, seasonal, and believe it or not, medicinal ingredients are combining today in the DelmarvaLife kitchen.
And that is all thanks to Cassandra Brown, owner of Una Bella Salute in Berlin. We just finished up our bruschetta there, and now we're going to move on to the balsamic wings, which has some interesting flavors in it.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So what? Rosemary, ginger.
No, we have blackberry ginger.
Or blackberry ginger.
Blackberry ginger, balsamic vinegar, and garlic infused olive oil.
Wow, that is amazing.
And soy sauce. We don't have soy sauce at the store, but we do have a sesame, Japanese sesame sauce, oil, which you could also incorporate. If you don't like garlic, you can use whichever olive oil you would like to marinate them in. And what we did, we just marinated them at least 4 hours, or you can do it overnight. Just refrigerate, and then when you're ready, just to run them in the oven and bake them, or you can put them on the grill.
Ooh, nice.
And then once they're done, you're just going to, we have a glaze. We took the marinade that we used and reduced it down to make a glaze.
And that's what we're going to do now?
And that's what we're going to do now. We're just
Okay.
going to, you want to?
Sure, yeah.
Okay. So we're just going to drizzle the balsamic reduction. And a lot of people come in and ask us for a glaze, but we recommend that you make your own, because that way you know exactly what's in it. You don't get all the preservatives and things that they have to put in it to keep it on to sustain the shelf life.
Right.
So this is really fresh, and it doesn't take that long. You just put it on low heat and just let it cook down until it reduces down about half.
Is that enough?
Yeah. What do I usually tell you? It's up to you.
It's up to me.
It's up to you.
I think it's enough, but we can always put more on it. If
Yes,
it's not
exactly.
Enough, right?
You know, because you can always put it and use it as a dipping sauce if you'd like.
Okay.
There you go.
So I guess all that's left is for us to taste.
Yes,
it. Okay.
go
All
ahead.
right.
Oh, we're gonna try
Go
it.
in.
All right,
Go in
let's
there.
give it a
Try
shot
Oh,
here.
goodness.
Wow.
I wish you could smell this. This is amazing.
The smell is amazing. Wow.
That is a flavor explosion.
It really is. It's not what I was expecting. They almost have a slight fruity taste
Because
to
of
it.
the blackberry ginger, or the blackberries rather, and then the ginger added to the blackberry vinegar.
Great
Oh,
combination.
that is so good. You have to keep talking while we eat.
Oh,
No,
okay.
just kidding.
Well, go ahead, and I'm glad you're enjoying it.
We both went in for
delicious.
a
Thank
light
you.
cow
here.
for you. And you know, this, like I said, you know, you come down to the store, you get to sample a lot of our different we have. I know we have at least 55 to 60 different balsamic vinegars alone. And then we have probably about 20, 25 olive oils. They're all natural. There's no additives. You don't have to worry about the preservatives or anything. And as we said, it's very healthy for you. Even the balsamic vinegars, they have no added sugar. The sugar content that it does have is all natural.
Wow.
So there is no added sugar to them. A lot of people say, oh, it's real sweet. Yes, it's sweet, but it's the natural sweetness of the fruit.
Right.
And then you, like I said, you blend it with the olive oil, or you can use it by itself. Makes a great salad dressing alone. You don't have to add anything to it.
Now, for folks who they can be intimidated, not knowing anything, you obviously will teach them and let them learn and experience it.
Yes, we do love for people to come in, because we do give them a quick education about the olive oils and how they're good for you. And we also have literature that we hand out so that you can see some of the benefits as well. And like, you know, we do have cookbooks. It's interesting because we do have people that come in. We have a foodie tour that comes through town, and they also come into the store, and they're always so impressed because of the vinegars and the oils, and we have samplings and do little dishes and stuff so that they can taste. This coming weekend, no, not this coming weekend, next weekend, the 19th, is the spring celebration in the town of Berlin. So there's going to be a lot of people, and I'm sure a lot of people will be coming in, because even though, like I said, you can cook, another good thing that you can do with it is that you can add the couple that we have in the store, a couple of flavors, to your deviled eggs.
Ooh.
Oh.
And it really, like the deal, and you know.
Well, we are out of time, but we got to taste real quick.
Oh, yes.
Our bruschetta here that Steve
There
worked
you
so
go.
hard on. Thank you so much. Cassandra, thank you so much for coming in
thank
this
you.
afternoon. We're going to have these recipes on our website as well as our Facebook. Real quick here.
One of us has to eat, one of us has to talk.
Or we could eat and talk at the same time.
We could do that. Yes, here we go.